Assalamu alaikum guys, how's it going? Today we're going to learn something new, how to create an entire map for some area from scratch in ArcGIS Pro. The first thing we have to choose what's area we're going to pick. Now I'm going to pick some states in the United States. It's called Washington State. It is where I have learned and where I get my degree. The first thing, I just go to the ArcGIS Pro and open a new map. I will call it Washington State. Washington State GIS map. GIS map. I'm going to save it there. When I open, the first step I should set up the coordination zone system. For the Washington State, like it has more than one coordination system. But the most popular one, it is WGS 84 system. WGS 84 system, it is just for the entire world. It split the world to the zones where I can like choose what zone is going to be in my area. Like for example, in Oman, my country, it is WGS 84 40 North zones. But I would like to do it for what? For Washington State. Washington State. This like setup, it is for the entire area, including the United States. But I would like to make it specified. How I can figure out what's the zones for each area? Each area in the world, I can ask ChatGPT. Just going to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I would like look up for zone code for Washington State. WGS 84. Washington State covered it is. So we got two zones, like Western and Eastern. Let's open our maps. Let's go to the map. I would like to open. I would like to choose aerial one. So I'm going to the United States. Here we go. This is Washington State. It has two zones because it is just large. It is two zones. One it is Eastern, one it is Western. Where I would like to do, I would like to choose Seattle, my beloved city here. I love this city because I used to hang up, like hook up a lot, like there. I would choose Western Washington State zone number. It would be Western one. It is zone 10 North. Let's go to coordination system. Right click, properties, coordination system, projected, UTM 4084 Northern 10 North. 10 North. 10 North. It is. Here we go. It is Washington State. It is here. So now I got where Washington State is. It is here. Then I would like to get my GIS maps from GIS Online and Living Atlas. You have to be like login in order to be able to get information. Let's get the first one. We're going to look for whatever existing, and we can use another resources later. The first thing we're going to do was Living Atlas or ArcGIS Online, Washington State. So let's state route. Let's get the first one. Okay. Here we go. I got the state route. It's here. It has a lot of sub entities. It has US interstate, US highway. So you got a lot of stuff right here. It looks great. Or the highways for the Washington State. Now I would like to get the border of the states. Let's get it. again as online Washington State. State of Washington State. It's being uploaded. I would like to get another one. I would like to get borders. I would like to get border of all the states. United States border. Washington State. Enter. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. I can choose more than one by pressing Control. County boundaries. I'm gonna choose those two elements. Entity. I just got the border of the counties. Counties border. It is here. This is counties border. Now I would like to change something here. I would like to change this border. It's fine like this. Yeah. So I got counties and highway for all the United States. Now I would just click to the some area here in the middle or White Man County. I would just focus on the White Man counties. Let's add something new. Let's open new map. new map. Now I got a new map. I would make to look similar to this. Then I would add something. Control, control. Okay, I got symbology, symbology. I'm going to the unique values by name. There you go. I would like to just deactivate. So I got the United States. I would like to I would like to choose just the United States right now. Countries, the United States. So all what I get just the United States. Then I would make something flip layout. Country, just the United States. All what I'm gonna get just the United States. Now I would like to get this one to be out to be above the United States. I would like to make it symbology, unique value by name. So I got the United States maps. Right click, remove. So I can do something right now. I would like to get this one, state province, to be copy, then go to the original one, go to the map, paste it. Not just the United States. It is all properties. It is just the United States by name. Here we go. All what I get just the United States. Then here we go. Now I got everything for whole Washington State.